Hello friends, it's Marvin Salcedo here with Salcedo Lawn, and I wanted to tell you about something that happened to our company a couple of weeks ago. So here's what happened. My guys went out to go mow the property of one of our longtime customers, and I don't know what happened exactly. If the mower was set to the height of the previous yard, or if we had a low tire on the mower, but whatever happened, we scalped the yard. And we noticed it too late. There wasn't much we could do about it because the damage was already done. And my guys let me know. The client reached out to me. They let me know. And so I went out to go take a look at the property, and I tried to clean it up the best I could, but there wasn't much we could do other than just let the grass grow out. So, true to our guarantee, obviously the client was not satisfied with the job that we did. I definitely was not satisfied with the job that we did. I did not charge them for that service. I zeroed out the balance on that invoice, and we didn't charge client. So fast forward a little bit, grass has grown out a week or so later, and yard looks beautiful. They've got the greenest yard on the block, and everything's great. But I just want to let you know that we actually do stand behind our work. We stand true to our guarantee. And if we're not able to make you satisfied with the work that we do, you don't owe us for it, because we do stand behind our work here at Salcedo Lawn. And we would love to be your lawn maintenance company forever. So if you need a quote, please reach out to us. We'd love to put a quote together for you. And thank you so much for listening to this. And hey, y'all have a wonderful day.